Hello everyone, welcome to Jenny Live Life. Wish you a happy International Yoga Day. Yoga keeps your mind calm, makes your body flexible and helps you to lose your weight. So today I will show you very simple effective yoga postures which keep you disease free and brings positiveness in your life. Everyone should do daily 15 to 20 minutes as a daily routine to boost their immune system or respiratory system. Please do yoga every day and live long. So let's start.
First yogasana is Bhastrika. Bhastrika is an important breath exercise in yoga and pranayam. It is sometimes treated as a kriya or cleansing action. How to do it? Sit in crossed-legged position. Inhale deeply and hold your breath just 2 seconds and exhale slowly. Continue for 20 breaths. Who is advanced in yoga or have no any disease, they can do little bit very fast. Bhastrika helps in the sinus, bronchitis and other respiratory issues. Anulam Vilam is an alternate breathing technique. It is excellent for respiratory problems and asthma. It facilitates proper function of the lungs, lifts up your mood and keeps stress away. How to do it? Always sit in Sukhasana. If you begin from the left nostrils, then close the right nostril with your right thumb and inhale slowly to fill up your lungs. Now exhale slowly from the right nostril. Repeat 60 times or for 5 minutes. Ensure that your back is straight, shoulders relaxed. Kapalabhati is also called a breath of fire. Kapalabhati kriya should always be followed by subtler breathing practices such as Anulam Vilam. Inhale deeply through both nostrils, expand the chest. Exhale forceful contraction of the abdominal muscles and relax. Benefits of Kapalabhati: it strengthens and tones the lower abdominal muscles. It supports weight loss. It improves digestion, improves concentration and memory. In a one time, try to do 20 times, then increase to 60 times. Make sure you practice every yoga or pranayam on an empty stomach. Here you have to sit like this position and move your all toes, then move your foot to up and down and side by side and rotate also. After that you have to shake your knees and thighs also. In this yoga is very powerful for every joints of your legs and total body. Then give pressure to your both knees in this way. When you are doing this, keep your breathing normal. Sit in the down, pulling your right foot in, gently bending your knee and bring your left foot in so that your soles are touching. Grab at your ankles with your natural spine. Then engage your both thighs up and down like a butterfly wings. The butterfly stretch improves flexibility of the inner thigh muscles. Here move your fingers, open and close your palms simultaneously. Here move your palms opposite way along with your fingers. Move your wrist clockwise and anti-clockwise. Keep your hands straight and do your palms up and down. your hands straight and bring your both palm and touch to the shoulder. Keep your body straight. Bring your right and left hands together towards your shoulder and again go back. Move your arms together clockwise and anti-clockwise. Keep your body straight and turn your head only side by side. Move your head up and down. Move your head clockwise and anti-clockwise. Stretch your both legs. Try to touch your right hand to left leg toes and left hand to right leg toes. Bend forward as far as possible and taking in deep breaths, move your hands in circular motion over your legs. You have to do in clockwise and anti-clockwise. After this exercise, you have to do 1 minute relax. It strengthens the abdominal organs. It prevents your back pain. It reduces your abdominal fat, increasing blood circulation around your body. Hold your both wrists and try to stretch both sides. Thanks everyone for watching my channel. Every day you practice yoga. I have told about full body workout plans through yoga. Stay happy and fit.
I hope you like my video. Please like, share, subscribe Jenny Live Life. Till then, bye bye.